Hi folks, Rusty here with Creative Home Closing. Most people are familiar with surge protectors. Well, this was absolutely new to me upon putting it into this house. This is a whole house surge protection device. So the idea behind this one being that it ties into the breaker box, and each one of these three modules protects the three different phases, A, B, and C phases of 120 volt that is coming into the breaker box and then into the house. So if a surge were to come down the power line, rather than frying some breakers or frying some appliances in the house, instead the module would get fried and then you would just replace the module. I've never actually had that happen, but that is the intention behind this. So you would come out and you would see lights gone out in one of the modules, indicating that it had received a surge and that it is not protecting that phase anymore. So then you would of course turn off the power, remove the bad module, put in a new good module, restore the power, the lights are back on, indicating that it is now protecting that phase again. And this house being in Colorado Springs, the box was fairly easy to install because of the open studs that are usually found in Colorado Springs garages. It was very nice. And then YouTube has a number of videos which make it fairly easy to figure out how to install this. So I do recommend, if you're not comfortable with working with electricity specifically in a breaker box, that you have an electrician do it. This itself was about $300 I found online. Hopefully this thing works as advertised and does what it's supposed to do. If you have any additional information you'd like to add, then please go ahead and add something in the comments. Please like and subscribe. Thank you very much.